Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of sustainable outdoor style ideas by stunning log wood creations that sell. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When most people look at a log, they see only firewood, garden debris, or something destined to rot away with time. But those who understand the hidden potential of nature know that log wood carries a rare beauty, a character shaped by years of growth, weather, and endurance, waiting to be revealed and celebrated through creativity. And when reimagined, it becomes far more than waste. It transforms into stunning conversation pieces that infuse warmth, personality, and sustainability into modern outdoor spaces. Every log, with its natural curves, its scars from storms, its unique grain patterns, and its imperfections, tells a story of resilience, and instead of letting that story fade, woodworkers and visionaries can honor it by crafting outdoor decor that resonates with both functionality and artistry, pieces that not only catch the eye but also invite touch, admiration, and dialogue. Imagine a garden corner where log stools serve as rustic yet stylish seating around a fire pit, each one distinct in size and texture, creating a circle of authenticity that no store-bought chair could ever replicate, or a patio enhanced by log planters, where greenery bursts from the hollowed trunks, blending wood and foliage in a seamless display of life and renewal, or even a backyard dining space where a polished log table becomes the centerpiece, its grains shining in the sunlight. Each ring a reminder of the tree's long history and now a marker of family gatherings and shared moments. What makes these pieces so powerful in modern design is not just their natural appeal, but the way they embody sustainability, proving that what many see as useless waste can, with imagination and craftsmanship, become functional treasures that minimize environmental impact while maximizing aesthetic and emotional value. In a world increasingly concerned with eco-conscious choices, homeowners want more than convenience. They want their spaces to reflect values of sustainability, individuality, and authenticity, and reclaimed log wood answers this desire perfectly, offering decor that is raw, natural, and deeply meaningful. Unlike polished, mass-produced furniture, log creations embrace their flaws. Cracks, knots, and uneven edges become features rather than defects, adding character that sparks conversation and invites admiration, turning ordinary outdoor spaces into places of story and soul. The act of reclaiming log wood is not simply about design. It's about shifting perception, teaching us to see beauty where others see waste, and in that shift lies opportunity, both for personal creativity and profitable enterprise. Because the demand for eco-friendly, handcrafted outdoor pieces continues to rise as people seek alternatives to generic decor. By transforming logs into functional outdoor art, makers tap into a powerful trend that blends sustainability with luxury, where rustic becomes chic and simple becomes extraordinary. Consider the appeal of a log bench nestled beneath a tree, its rugged charm offering both practicality and timeless design, or lantern holders crafted from slices of log that line a garden path, their flickering lights reflecting the textures of the wood, creating an ambience that feels both natural and magical. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. These aren't just functional items. They are experiences, atmospheres, moments shaped by wood's presence, and they remind us of our connection to the natural world even as we design modern outdoor spaces. Every log transformed into decor reduces waste, prevents unnecessary disposal, and contributes to a lifestyle that values sustainability over excess, a choice that resonates with today's environmentally conscious consumers. For the woodworker or DIY enthusiast, this transformation also represents a chance to elevate imagination into income, because what starts as reclaimed wood becomes a product with high market appeal, Valued not only for its physical beauty, but for the story it carries, the story of waste becoming wonder, of forgotten material becoming centerpiece, of sustainability becoming style. Outdoor spaces, whether patios, gardens, or balconies, thrive on personality, and nothing adds personality more effectively than logwood decor, because it is inherently unique, shaped by nature's unpredictable artistry. Impossible to duplicate, and always evolving with time as weather and use add new layers of character. To create with logwood is to collaborate with nature, to highlight what is already beautiful while guiding it toward new purpose, and in doing so, each crafted piece becomes more than an object. It becomes a statement about values, creativity, and living in harmony with the environment. The beauty of working with logs is that they require little alteration to shine. Sometimes a simple polish, sanding, or carving is enough to reveal their extraordinary character, reminding us that transformation doesn't always mean drastic change, but rather an unveiling of what already exists. This philosophy, applied to outdoor decor, brings an authenticity that resonates with those who want their spaces to feel natural and grounded, yet stylish and modern, a balance that reclaimed logwood achieves effortlessly. Beyond aesthetics, log decor also builds connection. When guests gather around a log-crafted table, when children climb on log play structures, when families light candles in log lanterns, conversations naturally spark, rooted in admiration for the beauty of wood and the ingenuity of transforming it from waste into wonder. In this way, logwood not only enhances spaces, but also enriches experiences, turning ordinary outdoor moments into memorable ones. The more we embrace reclaimed logwood in design, the more we acknowledge that sustainability and style are not opposites but partners, working together to create homes and outdoor environments that reflect both care for the planet and appreciation for beauty. And for entrepreneurs, this fusion is not just creatively fulfilling but financially rewarding, as markets continue to value eco-friendly solutions and handcrafted authenticity, making logwood creations both desirable and profitable. From stools and benches to tables, planters, sculptures, and lighting, the possibilities are as endless as imagination, and each project carries the dual rewards of reducing waste and adding value, both to spaces and to lives. Ultimately, the transformation of logwood into outdoor conversation pieces is a journey of vision, respect, and artistry, one that begins with seeing not waste, but potential, not imperfection, but uniqueness, and ends with creating decor that warms spaces, reflects individuality, and promotes sustainability. It is proof that the simplest materials, when guided by imagination, can become extraordinary treasures that enrich our homes, our gatherings, and our relationship with the natural world, showing that beauty is not something we impose on wood but something we uncover within it, and in that uncovering, we not only craft stunning outdoor decor, but also craft a future where design, sustainability, and profit exist in harmony. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked sustainable outdoor style ideas by stunning logwood creations that sell. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.